Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back. I have a haul for you from A Cherry on Top. And I learned that A Cherry on Top is a small business. I wish I could remember which. There was an Instagram post about it and it was like a week ago or so, and I don't remember who said it, but I was like, that's so cool because I love ordering from small businesses. In fact, I'm going to be having some small business hauls coming up really soon here. With some cute stuff for Halloween. So let's get started with A Cherry on Top. Let me pull up. I think I got a couple of different collections from them. So the nice thing about A Cherry on Top is that you can pre-order from them. So like if you know a collection is coming out and you want to make sure that you get your hands on it, you can pre-order with them. And I pre-ordered 2 collections from them in April or May. It was April, and the collection was supposed to come out in April, but I didn't receive it until this week, and it's not their fault. What had happened was, let me make sure I got everything. What had happened was there was just issues with getting it from the manufacturer to them. And anybody that got the collection in, it took a long time. So it wasn't just A Cherry on Top. But anyway, I got like 3 collections from them. So there was 2 main ones that I really wanted to order. And the first one was Simple Vintage Coastal. I had seen a post on Simple Stories Instagram page about this and how it had said that this was like a retired collection, but they brought it back. And I thought it was so pretty. I wish I would have got it in the summertime, but guess what? I have new stuff to craft with for next summer. So I'll do flip throughs at the end. So first is Simple Vintage Coastal. And this is the 6x8? Yeah, this is the 6x8 paper pad. Then I got the, let me pull this back a little bit. Then I got the chipboard stickers. Let me show you up really close. It's just such a super like chill, pretty collection, I think. Then I got the Ephemera. This one's called Floral Bits, and this is 43 pieces. And I'll show you what it looks like on the back because it has a pretty good view where we don't have to pull them all out. So there's that. And let me see if I got anything else from that collection. Yeah, I did. Yep, I got a couple more things from there. So I also got this sticker book, which I've never ordered a sticker book from a collection before, so I wanted to see like what that was all about, and I'll do a quickie flip through on the sticker book. So it's got letters, or alphas I should say, but I like how it's got these, so it's got like little sentiments, which is really nice, and it matches the papers. See how cute those are? And just all sorts of cute stickers. Then I also got this ephemera. This is called Bits and Pieces, and I'll show you what it looks like on the back. So I think that was everything from that collection. And then I also got a couple of things from Maggie Holmes that I saw that I was like, oh my gosh, I've never seen those before. So I got these. Are these thickers? Yeah, these are thickers from Heritage Collection, I believe. And I love the silhouettes. Thought they were so pretty, the little bird. Love the gold. I got that. Is that, oh no, it's double-sided. Sorry guys, it's double-sided, yay. It's been a while since I ordered this, I couldn't remember. So there's that. And then this is from Marigold, and I thought these paper clips were so cute. Are these chipboard? Oh no, they look like they're maybe like acrylic or something. But aren't those so cute? And look at the little squirrel with his little acorn. Adorable. So I got those 2 from Maggie Holmes. Then I had wanted this for the summertime as well. This is called Echo Park Farmers Market. I'll show the paper at the end for anybody that wants to see it. And then this is the ephemera pack for it. I love the cinnamon bun, so cute. And here's what the ephemera looks like. I love when they do the ephemera like this, because then like you don't have to pull them all out. People can just see like by showing them on the back. So there's that. Then let me see what else. Oh, so I wanted this for 4th of July, but that didn't happen. So I wanted the Photo Play America the Beautiful for the 4th of July. But that's okay, because now I have a brand new set of papers to craft with next year. So what did this come with? This came with 12 by 12 sheets, and then the cardstock stickers down here. And you can see all the papers up there. I love this one. So there's that. And then I also got, oh, you can see the stickers on the back here. I also got the ephemera pack. Wait a minute, is this a different one? No, this is, okay, so this is Photo Play, and then this is Cartabella, God Bless America. Okay, so there's that one. Then the main reason why I ordered from them was because I absolutely fell in love with the Lemon Twist collection. So that was the bulk of my order. So let me show you what I got, because I got some kind of unique things that I don't see a lot of people haul, and this is like the first time I thought I would try this. So I got, it's called Simple Cards Card Kit. So it has 8 cards, create 8 unique handmade cards. Everything you need, including card bases, chipboard pieces, die cuts, and step-by-step instructions. No cutting required, just add adhesive. I'm gonna open that up at the end for anybody that wants to see that. And then the next thing I got, which I thought was so beautiful, was these chipboard frames. And I'll open those too for anybody that wants to see those. And then I got these beautiful layered stickers. Look how pretty those are, and look how detailed they are. I mean, look at the depth on that one. Just so pretty. I wish more collections would make their stickers like this. This is just gorgeous. I also got 2 of their, I got their ephemera. So one is called Bits and Pieces. It's 60 pieces, and this one's called Floral Bits, and it's 41 pieces. So here's what those look like. And then here's what these look like. Then I got 2 of their chipboard stickers. I just love the bees and the lemons together. That is just so cute. And then the turquoise, so pretty. Is this double-sided? No, it's not double-sided. Then I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't get any of the paper pads. I don't know why. There must have been a method to my madness. Instead, I got the 12 by 12 collection kit, and then I got some separate pieces of paper. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And here's what those stickers look like. Super pretty. And I have some of this ribbon, so it'll be nice to incorporate it with this collection. And oh, I also, this was from Maggie Holmes Marigold. I also got this paper. I only got one. It reminds me of a placemat, but I thought it was so pretty, so I only got one. It was kind of pricey. I feel like it was like $3, if I'm not mistaken. And then I also decided to get a sticker book from the Lemon Twist collection. So let's see what that looks like. I like it because it also has the sentiments that you can use that match, you know, the collection. So I thought this was just a good idea. More lemonade, sunshine, squeeze me. And then there's also like smaller size ones. Let me show you. These, and then there's even, is there smaller ones? I thought there was even smaller ones. Yeah, there they are. So anyway, I just thought that was so cool. So, oh, did I also get, I think I also got some papers from Farmer's Market. So I got some of the papers from the Farmer's Market. Look at all the breads, you guys, how cute. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you like individual papers that I got, and then I'll go through and flip through the things I said I would go through for anybody that wants to see those. So I got that paper. I got this sticker sheet from the farmer's market collection, and then I got a sticker sheet from the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist, and then I got some individual papers. You guys, where do you see these bee papers? They are so cute. So there's this one, and then this is what it looks like on the back. This is just such a pretty collection. So I guess I got 2 of those, and then I got one of these. This one. And then here's what it looks like on the back. And there's this one. Oh, I love how that says be kind. I love how it's like a mix of, did I already say that I love how it's a mix of bees and lemons? I think I did, but I just said it again. And oh, look at this bee one, you guys. This one is one of my favorites. Look at that, that's so cute. What does this one look like on the back? Oh, it's just like a smaller print of that one I think that we saw earlier. And then, oh, this one's so pretty. Look at this one. So pretty. And then on the back, it's kind of like a plaid. Really pretty. So those were the individual papers. And then let's look at the frames that I had talked about earlier. We'll take a quick peek at those. Those are so beautiful. Be sweet. Time is best spent with you. Look, you can put those put pictures in those. Super cute. And let's see. Oh, the card kit. I said we were gonna look at the card kit to see what came inside of it. Neat. So let's see, it has instructions. So it tells, I guess, so each card is kind of named something. So you've got a squeeze the day card, a thank you for being so sweet card. And it tells you exactly what to do for each card. Then you've got your card bases here, and they already have a score mark in them for you to just bend them. I don't know if you can see that. Then it has these stickers, and it has these pull aparts. This is so cool. I love it. I'm gonna have fun making cards. I still haven't sent my bee project out yet, so maybe I will make her a card out of this. I used the Photo Play bee paper, but I think I can use one of these for the card, right? I used the Photo Play bee paper on her project, but I can use these for the card. Why not? There's no law against it. Okay, so there's that, and then I think there was like another. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna show you guys this. I was gonna show you the, no, I was gonna show you the paper pad for Simple, the Vintage Coastal. Okay, so here it is, it's double-sided. Oops. So pretty. It's like so relaxing. Oh, I love that one. and it just repeats itself. And then really quick, we'll do the farmer's market. Is this one double-sided too? Yep. Cute. Look at all those little storage tins. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at all the little seed packets. I love it. And it just repeats itself. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So that was the paper cherry, a cherry on top haul. And yeah, go check them out. It's really cool. You can pre-order stuff so you can make sure that you are the first in line to get it. The thing with them is that you have to wait until all your items come in, and at any time you can go to your order and you can see like what they're still waiting for. And if I remember right, I think I had an option to, like, once like over half my stuff was in, I could have said, and I don't think it even has to be over half your stuff, it's just at any point you can say, okay, ship me what you have. But I chose not to do that because I didn't want to pay for shipping twice, because you end up having to pay for shipping for the next batch. I was like, you know what, I'll just wait, because it's not that important. It's just paper, y'all. Paper and stickers. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.